Hey everyone, welcome back. Unfortunately, we are continuing on with our remote learning for a few more weeks. That doesn't mean we can't continue to do some awesome activities like we did in Term 3. Just want to quickly say well done to all those people who joined in our Term 3 remote learning lessons. Myself and Mr. Hero were really impressed with the videos as well as all the effort that was put in, and I can't wait to give you your prizes when you get back to school. So well done to those people who got involved. Today's activity, it takes a little bit of setting up, so what I'm going to get you to do is watch this video and then go and do your activity. But remember, there are a few things that you will need. You'll see that on Shobi, I've posted a document that's roll the dice. Open up that document because you're going to need it. You'll see by looking at the dot points, there are a few things that you need to do for today. So some of the rules for today's game is you do need a dice. If you've got a dice at home, you can use the dice at home, but there's also a virtual dice that's been set up on the iPad for you to use. I'll show you how to use that in a second. Your task today should go for at least 20 minutes. If you'd like to go for longer, of course you can go for longer, but minimum of 20 minutes exercise today. You will feel pretty tired and pretty puffed out after 20 minutes, so I wouldn't say do too much longer than that. When you finish your lesson today, you need to post on Shobi answering 4 questions that we're going to ask you about your lesson. Question number 1, they are nice and easy questions. The question number 1 is, did you enjoy Dice Fitness? Question number 2 is, how did you feel after playing Dice Fitness? Question number 3, what exercise did you enjoy the most? Question number 4, what exercise did you find the hardest? What I want you to do is to send me those answers on Shobi when you finish your lesson. You can put it in the class discussion if you like, or you can send it just to me using the assignment function on Shobi. It's up to you. Let's get into our lesson now. You'll see that it does say click here and it's got a link. That is for the virtual dice. So if you'd like to use the virtual dice, click on the link and the virtual dice will pop up. You'll just see that it's a dice. If you press on the dice, it rolls and it will give you a number. You need to make sure that you're concentrating on those numbers because they're going to tell you what to do for your lesson. If you open up the document again, you'll see that there are 6 activities in a table just below the instructions. Number 1 is jog on the spot. Number 2 is push-ups. Number 3 is sit-ups. Number 4 is shuttle runs. Number 5 is star jumps. And last, number 6 is squats. Now, so that I remember that and I don't have to go between screens, what I've decided to do, I've decided to write down just quickly on a piece of paper with all the numbers there. And I'm actually going to keep that just over to the side so I can always look up at it and know what exercise I need to do next. If you don't want to do that, you can just flick between screens. You can screenshot the table and use that. Totally up to you. But just to make it nice and easy for yourself, might be worth writing it down. Let's start our lesson now. There is one more thing you will need, and it's either another device or you can use your iPad. It's up to you, but you need a timer, okay? Because what I want is for this activity to go for 20 minutes, but no less. So minimum of 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do is to start your lesson, you need to start your timer. So if you've got another device, use another device. Otherwise, use the clock or something on your iPad or computer. You need to make sure that you've got 20 minutes. There might be a clock on the wall at home. Use that. 20 minutes. My timer has started. What I need to do then is open up my dice or roll your dice if you've got a dice. You touch the dice and you'll see Mr. Layley's dice has rolled a 4. Now if you've written down the instructions or you've got the document open, you'll know that if you roll a 4, you have to do shuttle runs. How many? Well, you need to do 5 of everything that is on that list. So if you roll a 1, you're going to jog on the spot for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll my dice again. This time I might roll a 2. 2, I know that they are push-ups, so I'm going to do 5 push-ups. So down, in our push-up position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up I get, I'm going to roll my dice again. So remember, just a quick tap and you'll roll your dice. If I roll a 3, that means sit-ups. So down, in our sit-up position, and remember we're doing 5 of everything. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, up again, roll my dice again. If I roll a 4, that's my shuttle runs. I'm just in my garage here, so I'm going to do some shuttle runs up and back. Remember, I run up and back, that's 1. We're going to do that 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll my dice again. If I roll a 5, I'm going to be doing 5 star jumps. So number 5, 3, 4, 5. Roll my dice again. If I roll 6, I'm going to be doing squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are our 6 activities that you'll be doing today. Remember, you're rolling the dice, so you might do some twice in a row, you might only do 1 or 2 of another, totally random your workout. That's why this is an awesome activity for you guys to do, because you can do it lots and lots of times, and it's always going to be different. Remember, your timer should be running until 20 minutes, okay? So you'll be really puffed out and really tired when the 20 minutes is up, okay? So make sure you have a drink and something to eat once you are finished. Most important thing is to remember to do those questions and post them on Shobi so myself and Mr. Hero can see them. I'm going to go over the questions again. Did you enjoy playing Dice Fitness? How are you feeling after you finish? Which exercise did you like the most? And which one was the hardest? So like I said before, post them in the class discussion or via the assignment function, and myself and Mr. Hero will be able to read all of your awesome answers. That is today's lesson. Good luck, have fun, remember to get out. The weather is starting to turn, starting to be a little bit nicer outside, so if you can do your lesson outside, awesome. Otherwise, find a nice and safe spot inside. Enjoy your lesson, guys. Hopefully see you back at school soon. See ya.